Welcome to Sports Card Sheets. Today we have the brand new addition to the lineup. It's the Nolan Arenado rookie and prospect card checklist and collection tracker. Has all his prospect cards from 2009 through 2012 and all his rookie cards from 2013. The sheet is available on Etsy for $4.99. Look for Sports Card Sheets, and let's go over how it works. Over here to the left in the black, we have the main sets. Underneath that, we'll have in italics, we'll have the inserts, and all the purple will be parallels. The card numbers are in column C. Column D is the most important part. The Y indicates that he has a card in this particular set or parallel. And to keep track of your collection, just type in the copy you have. So say it's a raw copy, type in raw, turns yellow. Say it's a PSA 10, type in PSA. Also have BGS, SGC, CSG, and HGA with different color fills for the cells. This will help you identify the card you have. Column E will let you know if it's part of the base set, the insert, or as a parallel. You got some notes here, so it'll be like for a 3-player card or certain things about the card. And then column G will have the serial numbers, and H and I will have its autographed memorabilia. And then some of the some notes here in J for just extra notes on multiplayer cards, like who's on the card and stuff of that nature. So check it out on Etsy, $4.99, the Nolan Arenado rookie and prospect card spreadsheet.